Drivers struggle with sun visors, leading to distractions and safety risks, especially when sunlight shifts direction. Current manual sun visor systems are inefficient, blind the driver from incoming car headlights and sunlight, increasing the risk of accidents. There is a need for an automatic sun visor system that dynamically adjusts based on light intensity, improving safety and convenience. This team of young inventors developed an automatic sun visor system that uses ambient light sensors, which detect light intensity, analyze the sensor data in real time and send signals to high-torque servo motors attached to the sun visors. The motors move the sun visors to block the light from the driver's or passenger's view. The system operates automatically, adjusting the sun visor position based on sunlight direction.
Ladies and gentlemen, the inventors of this innovation are Abdullah Hasani, Mustafa Hasani, Mariam Mansoor, Rizwan Mansoor, Madhalasa Iyer, Sparsh Kamdar, Umar Kateeb.